going on YouTube? My family and my friends back today with another exclusive video, and I'm gonna try to keep them short, because they started ending up being an hour and a half videos. You know what I'm saying? So the more and more of these videos I do, I'm gonna try to keep them short to under 45 minutes. I know that's a lot. I know that's a long time, but I go through a lot, on how I make these shirts. You see the distressing, you see the brick pattern, you see it. You see it. Philip Plein style, you know what I'm saying? So I go through and I show y'all how I create these shirts. But what I want to start doing is just really have fun with the last Fendi shirt. Definitely have fun making that. If you haven't yet seen that video, I'll put a link down below, to, I think it was maybe a 3-part video. I broke it up into sections. The design part, I don't know if I did the brushing of the stones, but the design part, the foiling part, and then the complete project, the complete shirt. But what I want to show y'all right now is, like, man, I start thinking of Louis Vuitton. Never had a Louis Vuitton shirt. So there's some live Louis Vuitton shirts. Like this one right here is slick, and I guess I could redo that one, using some heat transfer paper, you know what I mean? Go the paper route, and cut out sections, you know what I'm saying? And just put them back together, Add a few stones, you know what I mean? To make it super, I keep wanting to say authentic. Make it super creative, you know what I'm saying? Alright, but check out the rest of these shirts. Look at these. Like that one was slick, you know what I mean? I liked it, you know what I mean? That one is butter with all the colors, all over, on a polo style shirt. The men's Louis Vuitton shirt, that's another one, I mean, I liked it, not really just feeling the colors though, you know what I mean? Now this plain idea, this was live, and I can do that with vinyl, but that's a lot of weeding out to weed out all of those planes. It can be done though, and it'll still be slick, even if you did it in foil. Just a thought. Something like this, that's so easy to do, you know what I mean? Can definitely do that in foil. You can do that in foil and do it multicolor, almost like a Polaroid, you know what I mean? Definitely like this one where they just, the entire back. The front is black, all black. But the back of the sweater is what stands out with the LV all over, Like that. That's slick. Just the sleeves, you know what I mean? The bottom corner of the shirt. And then I like how they just put the lettering on that sleeve. That's slick. Now this one is live. Oh, that one is live. Look, replica clothing. Where is this at? DH Gate somewhere? Oh, the UK. Ha. Let's just click on it. Glasses 79 RU. Alright, let's continue. Now, I definitely liked that, That might not even be an authentic Louis Vuitton shirt, but I just like how it's got the stripe pattern, you know what I mean? Blending and blurring into each other, you know what I'm saying? And then the big LV, that's classy. Like that. This one was slick, you know what I'm saying? Definitely like that, you know what I mean? Not even sure if that's a real Louis Vuitton shirt, like, you know what I mean? But hey, the black people, we say Louis, Louis Vuitton. You know what I'm saying? I know everybody else say Louis Vuitton. We say Louis Vuitton. That's how we say it. You know, this is another, you can tell, cheap little knockoff or whatever. But they just took the symbols, put it on the back of a shirt. Like that one. That one was slick. Definitely liking this one. Now I can do that all over on a t-shirt, you know what I'm saying, with just foil. Something about that foil that I'm just in love with, you know what I mean? As you can see, go online, Google it, you know, and get so much inspiration for a Louis Vuitton shirt. So, if there was a favorite shirt that you liked and you would like to see me recreate, please comment down below which shirt it was. You know what I mean? I didn't number them or anything. I know I went through about 8, 9, maybe 10 shirts. But check them out. Which one would y'all like to see me make? And then we'll move on to part 2 of the video after I get a few suggestions or whatnot. You know, I just wanna gauge, you know, gauge the audience right now to see. And now, if you want to see my last recreation, like I say, check the link in the bottom, down below in the description. And I'm out. Also, don't forget to like this video. Smash that like button. You know what I mean? If you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel. It definitely gives me the motivation and the fuel to create more videos for you all. You know what I mean? And it definitely actually helps me, you know, to grow my channel. I'm still trying to get to my first 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So, if you definitely liking this content and would like to see more, subscribe. You know what I mean? Help your boy out. Yeah.